To make the mermaid pen, you need a mirror paper. Now wrap the mirror paper over the pen. Now secure it with a double-sided tape as I am showing here. Now you need to see whether the cap fits or not, and then you need to cut the extra mirror paper. Now I have drawn a mermaid face and the body on the paper roughly with the orange sharpie. You can get sharpies everywhere. Now for making the top for the mermaid, I am doing a heart shape on a mirror paper with the scissors and then securing the mermaid top on mermaid with some glue. You can use hot glue if you want. I'm using white glue. Now we need to draw the mermaid face, eyes, nose and mouth. You can see it's done. Now we need to make the hair. So we need black felt for this process, and we need to trace the hair first on the mermaid, which suits the mermaid better. Now I'm gonna secure the hair with some white glue. Now secure the mermaid at the bottom of the pen, means where the cap doesn't exist. Now for making the tail for the mermaid, you're gonna trace a small tail for the mermaid region so we can put it at the cap side. Now we're gonna cut it and then cover it with the mirror paper. Now I'm covering the mermaid tail with the mirror paper. Now the tall side of the mermaid tail, you can cover it, but I have covered it. To make the cloud keyring, you will need 3 types of felt: black, pink and white. I am taking the pink felt and drawing a mini cloud on it with a black marker. Next, we need to cut the pink cloud out. Now we need to take the white felt and we need to trace it smaller than the pink felt. I am tilting it a little bit left towards me so it can get easier. Now I am securing it with the white glue. This is very much, secured, well secured. Now I am drawing a little kawaii. Now you can add any keyring on the kawaii face and hang it in your bag or anything. To make a drawstring bag, we need a cloth. Now I am stitching one end of the cloth. Now you need to stitch the other side also. After stitching both of the sides, we need to stitch the string all around the bag as a drawstring, and when you pull it will be tight and secured, so like that. After that is done, I'm going to tie a knot at the end of the bag. You can use it as a gift bag or anything else. Now I'm going to write I love you. I'm going to take a pink felt and then cut a love or heart out of the pink felt, and you can show your creativity as you want. You can also put sequins in it as you want. So you can put candies and then do it. To make a mermaid pouch, you're going to take a transparent pouch and then secure it with a dark tape at the middle. Now you're going to take some paint and sponge it over the transparent pouch. You can make it as a galaxy or a mermaid themed. I'm going to put some gold paint for golden accents. So show your creativity as you want, under the sea or galaxy, whatever you want to tell. So when you take out the duct tape, it will be clean and shiny. Now you can see it's super clean and super good. To make a mermaid notebook, you're gonna take a normal notebook and some A4 size paper. Now you need to cover the notebook with A4 size paper with some white glue. Cover the notebook with the white A4 size paper. Paste it well. Now you're gonna draw a big mermaid tail with a black pen or a pencil as you provide. Draw as I am showing here. Now you need to chop the mermaid tail, put it over the notebook. Now you're going to take some pink paint and then dab it all through the mermaid tail as a stencil. You have to use a sponge instead of a paintbrush. Sponge is really helpful because it makes the art piece look very natural. Now I'm putting some red paint. Now I'm taking some blue paint and then dabbing it all over the mermaid stencil. It will look very real. Now you can see it looks so much cuter than before. And now we are gonna draw some golden grooves on the mermaid tail with some golden paint. You can draw it on the tail. So these were the all 5 items that we've made today. Bye bye.